Why do the world's most famous faces, from Hollywood stars to global icons, choose Jamaica as their secret sanctuary? The answer might surprise you. Jamaica isn't just another tropical paradise. It's a place where the elite find something they can't buy anywhere else: true peace and exclusivity. Let's explore what makes this island a magnet for the world's most recognizable names. Luxurious villas in Ocho Rios, Port Antonio, and Negril are booked year-round by celebrities seeking to escape the glare of the spotlight. What draws them here? It's not just the beaches, though those are world-class. It's the promise of privacy, the warmth of the Jamaican people, and a vibe that says, you've arrived in paradise. In the past 2 years alone, icons like Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, music legends Chance the Rapper and Rick Ross, and Academy Award winners Michael Douglas and Catherine Zeta-Jones have all graced Jamaican shores. And they're not just passing through. Many of these celebrities consider Jamaica their personal retreat, a place to unwind, rejuvenate, and reconnect. What makes Jamaica so irresistible? First, it's the perfect blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. This is the birthplace of reggae, home to the legendary Bob Marley, and a place where every corner pulses with vibrant music and soul. The island's food, unmatched. Think jerk chicken sizzling on an open flame and a plate of ackee and saltfish that'll transport your taste buds. Then there's the allure of its history with Hollywood. Jamaica has been a celebrity haven for decades. Errol Flynn, the original swashbuckler, once called Port Antonio his home. Ian Fleming penned the James Bond novels here. Today, that legacy lives on, with stars like Idris Elba and Young Miami sharing their Jamaican adventures with millions of followers online. And let's not forget the buzz surrounding Montego Bay's Sangster International Airport. On one particularly eventful day, 18 private jets touched down, carrying high-profile visitors looking to bask in Jamaica's charm. This level of traffic underscores just how much the island is cherished by the elite. If you're loving these insights, hit that subscribe button right now. Discover what makes Jamaica not just a destination, but a dream for the world's biggest names. From exclusive content to behind-the-scenes stories, subscribing guarantees you never miss a beat. What truly sets Jamaica apart is its ability to offer exclusivity. While the celebrities themselves may stay tight-lipped, the sheer number of private charters and luxury villa bookings speak volumes. These stars aren't just visiting. They're immersing themselves in the Jamaican way of life, a mix of relaxation, adventure, and unmatched hospitality. Take the VIP Attractions Lounge at both Kingston's Norman Manley and Montego Bay's Sangster International Airports. It's constantly booked out. Air traffic controllers on high alert to manage the flow of private jets. Even behind the scenes, Jamaica rolls out the red carpet. Here are 3 things you probably didn't know about Jamaica's celebrity appeal. 1. Jamaica's luxury villas come with a full staff: chefs, butlers, and private security, ensuring total comfort and peace of mind. 2. Celebrities often return year after year, building relationships with local communities and even quietly investing in the island's economy. 3. Some of the most iconic scenes from films like Dr. No and Cocktail were shot here, cementing Jamaica's place in Hollywood lore. Jamaica isn't just a getaway, it's an experience. A place where the world's most famous faces find solitude, inspiration, and a slice of heaven. Whether it's the pristine beaches, the luxury villas, or the incredible culture, one thing is clear: Jamaica's charm is unbeatable. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and join us as we uncover more stories about Jamaica, the ultimate celebrity getaway. And hey, next time you're sipping a cocktail by the beach, just maybe, a Hollywood legend is doing the same a few villas over.